Day 15, American BBQ Breakfast. BBQ Breakfast Burritos. Ingredients: 4 large flour tortillas, 1 pound breakfast sausage, 6 large eggs, beaten 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese, 1/2 cup BBQ sauce, 1/2 cup diced tomatoes, 1/4 cup chopped green onions, salt and pepper to taste. Sour cream for serving instructions. Preheat your gas griddle to medium heat. Cook the breakfast sausage on the griddle until browned and cooked through. Remove and set aside. On the same griddle, scramble the beaten eggs until fully cooked. Season with salt and pepper. Warm the tortillas on the griddle. Assemble the burritos by placing a portion of sausage, scrambled eggs, shredded cheddar cheese, diced tomatoes, and chopped green onions in each tortilla. Drizzle with BBQ sauce. Roll up the tortillas, folding in the sides to enclose the filling. Cook the burritos on the griddle until the tortillas are toasted and the cheese is melted. Serve with sour cream. BBQ Breakfast. Hash ingredients: 4 large potatoes, peeled and diced 1/2 pound bacon, chopped 1 large onion, chopped 1 green bell pepper, chopped 1/2 cup BBQ sauce, 4 large eggs, salt and pepper to taste. Fresh parsley, chopped, for garnish. Instructions: preheat your gas griddle to medium-high heat. Cook the chopped bacon on the griddle until crispy. Remove and set aside, leaving the bacon fat on the griddle. Add the diced potatoes to the griddle and cook until golden brown and crispy, about 10 to 15 minutes. Add the chopped onion and bell pepper and cook until softened. Stir in the cooked bacon and BBQ sauce. Season with salt and pepper. In a separate area of the griddle, cook the eggs to your liking. Sunny side up, over easy, etc. Serve the hash with eggs on top, garnished with fresh parsley. Lunch BBQ pulled pork sandwiches. Ingredients: 1 pound pulled pork, 1 cup, BBQ sauce, 4 hamburger buns, 1/2 cup coleslaw, pickles, optional. Instructions: preheat your gas griddle to medium heat. Reheat the pulled pork on the griddle, stirring in the BBQ sauce. Toast the hamburger buns on the griddle until golden brown. Assemble the sandwiches by placing a portion of BBQ pulled pork on each bun. Top with coleslaw and pickles if desired. Serve hot. BBQ Chicken Wings. Ingredients: 2 pounds chicken wings, 1/2 cup BBQ sauce, 1/4 cup honey, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat your gas griddle to medium-high heat. Season the chicken wings with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Cook the wings on the griddle, turning occasionally until they are cooked through and crispy, about 20 to 25 minutes. In a bowl, mix the BBQ sauce, honey, and apple cider vinegar. Toss the cooked wings in the sauce mixture until well coated. Serve hot. Dinner BBQ ribs ingredients: 2 racks of pork ribs, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 cup BBQ sauce. Instructions: preheat your gas griddle to medium-low heat. In a bowl, mix the brown sugar, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, salt, and cayenne pepper. Rub the spice mixture all over the ribs. Cook the ribs on the griddle, covered for 2 to 3 hours, turning occasionally until they are tender. Brush the ribs with BBQ sauce during the last 30 minutes of cooking. Serve hot. BBQ baked beans. Ingredients: 2 cans, 15 ounces each, baked beans 1/2 cup, BBQ sauce 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup diced onions, 1/4 cup diced bell peppers, 2 tablespoons molasses, 1 tablespoon yellow mustard. Instructions: preheat your gas griddle to medium heat. In a large pot on the griddle, combine the baked beans, BBQ sauce, brown sugar, diced onions, diced bell peppers, molasses, and yellow mustard. Simmer for 20 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally until the mixture is thickened and the flavors are well combined. Serve hot. Dessert grilled peaches with honey. Ingredients: 4 ripe peaches, halved and pitted 1/4 cup honey, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon vanilla ice cream, optional. Instructions: preheat your gas griddle to medium heat. Place the peach halves on the griddle, cut side down, and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until they are softened and have grill marks. Drizzle the peaches with honey and sprinkle with ground cinnamon. Serve hot with a scoop of vanilla ice cream, if desired. BBQ S'mores ingredients: 8-gram crackers, broken in half, 4 large marshmallows, 4 squares of chocolate, aluminum foil. Instructions: preheat your gas griddle to medium heat. Place a square of chocolate on half of the graham crackers. Top each with a marshmallow. Cover with the remaining graham cracker halves to make sandwiches. Wrap each sandwich in aluminum foil and place on the griddle. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes, turning once until the marshmallows are melted. Carefully unwrap and serve hot. Conclusion of Day 15. Today we enjoyed the smoky and savory flavors of American barbecue with delicious recipes for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert. From the hearty BBQ breakfast burritos to the sweet grilled peaches, each dish brings the taste of classic barbecue to your table. I really wanted to call this day romantic. I would recommend spending it with your loved one and cooking together today. It's so great fun and funny. And don't wash the dishes today. Enjoy the pleasant moments of life. Subscribe to our channel, give a like if you enjoyed the recipes, and don't forget to check the description to get the book on Amazon. In our book, The Complete Outdoor Gas Griddle Cookbook for Beginners, you'll find even more unique recipes, tips, and tricks to master your grilling skills. Sign up on our website and be the first to receive recipe previews for our next book. Let us know in the comments which world cuisines you'd like to see featured in upcoming videos and in our future print and ebooks. Wishing you tasty and unforgettable moments in the kitchen.